So let's welcome our next speaker, Shivani, on the stage. Everyone, with a big round of applause. Let's welcome Shivani on the stage.
Hi everyone. So first of all, I want all you to find the nearest thing around you which is made up of wood and touch it. Please do, it's very important, you will get to know later. Please do, I'm serious, you have to do. Thank you so much, but please do, it's very serious. You did? Oh, all right, thank you. You will get to know why you did this and why it was so important for me. So first of all, can any one of you tell me if you ever faced a heartbreak in your life? Only one? Oh, a lot. Thank you. So who is going to tell me like how you dealt with it? How did you deal with it? It's okay, your wives are not watching this. Please. Please tell me. You can tell. Anyone, please. You can invent a fictional thing as well.
So I moved to Brazil, so it was a long relationship. So it was okay for me because she's in India and I'm in Brazil. So yeah, but it was tough.
Yeah.
It was understood. It was practical. Like we are not together. Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much, Joshua, for sharing it. So I also have a quote that I want you to repeat after me, and this quote will also make sense in the end, I promise it. So I want you to repeat, heartbreak is a call to wake. Can you repeat it after me? Heartbreak is a call to wake.
Is a call to wake.
Thank you for saying that again. So now, what most people know about me, like I am a person who has currently very good relationships with everyone, like family, friends, and I'm in a currently very happy relationship as well. But what most people don't know about me, and they should not know also, that I have faced a lot of heartbreaks in life. Okay, so in coming few minutes, I will share with you some points to which will help you how to move on or how to deal with breakups. Alright, so stick with me and we will see like how we can move on and how we can deal with heartbreaks. So point number 1, kill the person who broke your heart. I'm kidding. Of course, don't do that please, and even if you do, don't blame me. So first point is, to be serious, is to find closure. Okay, there are many YouTubers, many people on Facebook which are like who are giving advices like do this, do that. But the first and basic thing which I believe in, which helped me, is to find the closure. Okay, find out the reason why it happened. You need closure. Otherwise, no matter how much you cut the ties, you will always going to think, what if, why didn't it work? Alright, moving to the second point. Become Devdas. Have you seen the movie Devdas? Have you? Okay, it's Shah Rukh Khan is in his movie, who is my favorite actor, and he becomes an alcoholic person in love of a girl, and he sits alone, drinks a lot of alcohol, and think about that girl who broke his heart. You don't have to become that. I was just kidding. So second point is give it time. Okay, there is no recipe, there is no button that you can switch off so that you will just forget the person. Give it time, no matter how it is, but give it time. Third and the last point is, walk in a cafe and the next person you see, whoever it is, propose them. Ask them to marry you. Of course, I am kidding this time as well. So, can anyone tell me what was the topic of my presentation? Can anyone remember? I just told a few minutes ago. How to move on. I said the word move on. So third step is obviously you have to move on. So as easy it may sound, like I just say move on, you cannot move on just like that, okay? But it's the reality. Eventually you will have to move on. No matter how many people give you advices, no matter what you do, no matter what the person who broke your heart do, or it cannot be even the person, right? I said heartbreak. Your heart doesn't break because of a person always. It might be a job interview which let you down. It might be a life situation which didn't go according to your plan. It might be something which you wanted very badly. Okay, it might be a job, it might be a person, it might be a loved one, it might be money or something which you wanted but you didn't get. It broke your heart. I never said it has to be romantically. So, you see, whenever we face a heartbreak, we usually go into the thought process that maybe it was my fault. Okay, why did it happen with me? Maybe it was my fault. My life would have been so much better if it didn't happen. But what I have learned from my life experiences, whatever the hardships I faced, may it be heartbreaks, failures, you see, every failure has a heartbreak attached to it. we never feel a failure if we have not broken our heart. I had faced a lot of failures in my job interviews as well. I think failed almost 20 companies test. I broke my heart in every time. Okay, so every time I broke my heart, I thought it's so bad. Why didn't it happen with me? Why did it happen with me? But now when I see it back, as Danish also said it very well, I think it was a part of my success. I think it is what made my story powerful. For example, Joshua was telling his story. If he hadn't failed his 7th class, maths exam, I think it was. If he hadn't failed that maths exam, do you think his story would be that powerful? If he had said, I was a topper throughout my life and now I'm doing so good in my career. Where's the twist? Where is that pinch of salt we are looking for? So as again Danish also well said, like failure, I think it's very important. Okay, as I also said yesterday, our life is like ocean. We are going to face lows, we are going to face highs. Whenever we face high, we should celebrate. But whenever we face lows, I think we should also give it time, have our sorrow time as well. But somewhere in the deep of our heart, we should know like it is important for us. And if not today, I am going to tell this story after years later to a lot of people and they will get inspired from it. So as I promised you, the quote that you said is going to make sense. So the quote was, heartbreak is a call to wake. So that was the meaning behind it. Thank you so much for being a great audience.
Wonderful. So let's all clap for Shivani. Great message. Good job. Fantastic.
Thank you.
Wonderful,
Thank you.
Shivani. So yeah, please help us to understand the break the pattern.
Oh, I am so sorry. I was when I was telling I have good relationships. I wanted to say touch wood, but you already did touch wood. So I forgot
right.
it.
But anyways, it was good. So good break the pattern. So touching the word and.